Welcome back YouTube. Just a quick follow-up from the previous video that I've just done. I have now read this chip and loaded the Virgin file, which is there, into it. Loaded the diagnostic software, and it's gone from the 100-49. That has now gone. It communicates no problem at all. So just to clarify what you have, okay, which is pin 1 is earth, pin 2 is ignition live, pin 7 is can high, pin 8 is can low. You have a separate earth on this side. Then you have a 120 ohm resistor on pins 1 and 9. This is our spare earth, obviously, and I'm using the Go Diag, the GD100, to power it all up. I'm using the ThinkCar diagnostic scanner, and it all adds up. Now to do this part, I'm using the CG100X with the special adapter. So on the end of the adapter is this, see that there, and that plugs onto that little chip there to download the Virgin file. If you need any Virgin files, let me know. I charge £30 a time. All you need to do is email me, caralarmanradio@gmail.com. I will send you the payment link. You then send me the bin file across. So what it'll look like, if I go, just drop this down for now, Virgin files. So what it'll do is it'll look like this. Okay, so that's the 080, that's the one I've just done. That's the Virgin file for that. Okay, so that's what it looks like for this particular one. Each one is different, so it all depends on the part number. So what I need is that part number there. So like that one is 0394. There's loads of different part numbers. I can look that up, and then that will give me the correct file that I need to load back into your airbag module. Okay, any questions, obviously just drop us a line, caralarmanradio@gmail.com, and I'll do my best to answer them and help you out. Okay, thanks for watching.